Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of the 2024 Medley Interlisp Annual Report. Get ready for a blast from the past, folks. It's a wild ride.
Whoa, Interlisp? Sounds intense. I'm already picturing some seriously retro tech. What's the core deal here?
Exactly. Interlisp D, the heart of this project, is a relic from Xerox PARC, born in the 70s and 80s. Think cutting-edge AI and rapid prototyping, all powered by Lisp and a GUI that was revolutionary for its time. Windows, icons, the whole shebang. It's like a time capsule of innovation.
So, a vintage AI powerhouse getting a modern makeover? That's awesome.
You got it. This report details the 2024 progress of the Medley Interlisp project, a dedicated team reviving this ancient beast. They've made it open source, which is huge. Open source!
Open source is always a win. So what were their biggest wins in 2024? Any breakthroughs?
Oh, tons. They massively lowered the barrier to entry. There's now a Docker-based web version so you can use it in your browser. No installation needed. They're even experimenting with WebAssembly, which could make it even more accessible. Imagine running Interlisp entirely in your browser.
That's incredible. I'm impressed. So it's not just about accessibility, they're also improving the system itself, right?
Absolutely. They've improved the startup process, boosted documentation, even added a meta-d command to bring up documentation directly within the editor. Genius! They're also working on ANSI Common Lisp compatibility, which is a monumental task given its age.
ASI Common Lisp compatibility. That sounds like a deep dive into the weeds. What's the significance of that?
It's a huge deal. It means bringing Medley's Lisp implementation up to modern standards, improving interoperability, and making it easier to integrate with other systems. It's like giving this old car a brand new engine.
I see. So beyond the core system improvements, what about applications? Did they work on any legacy software?
Oh yeah. They've been busy. They improved Tedit, a WYSIWYG-rich text editor, added HTML support to their graphics suite, and even worked on Lafite, a multi-protocol email client written in Lisp. Can you believe it? They're even reviving Loops, a historical object-oriented programming system from Xerox PARC. A real blast from the past.
Reviving Loops, that's a serious undertaking. What about the community aspect? How's the collaboration going?
The community is thriving. They have weekly meetings, open to everyone. They're collaborating with universities, libraries, and archives to preserve Interlisp's history. They even have a collaboration with the University of Alberta, with students contributing to the bibliography and documentation. Amazing!
That's fantastic. It's not just about the technology, it's about preserving a piece of computing history. What are their plans for the future?
They're focusing on making Medley even easier to use, with updated primers and one-click installers. They want to create an online version of LFG, a linguistic tool, and even aim to run Bernie Kosell's ELIZA, a historical AI program, on Medley. Ambitious, right? They're also hoping to fund a graduate student to tackle some of the more challenging projects. The future is bright for Medley.
This is truly inspiring. It shows that even legacy systems can find new life and relevance with dedication and collaboration. Thanks for walking us through this incredible story.
My pleasure. And a huge thank you to our listeners for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We'll catch you next time with more exciting tech news. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.